So today again I want to test another side hustle, and this one it is from Userlytics alert, like this website. So this is the website. They normally have surveys or some stuff like that, some tests that you should do. They can ask you questions or stuff like that, and then if you answer correctly you can win. This is $50. They are saying, dear Phoebe, we are thrilled to invite you to a 30 minutes maximum and a moderated record session. During this exercise you will be expressing your thoughts out loud and answering some simple questions on websites and apps, for which you will be receiving a $50 incentive for your generous time. Device required computer, and you will need to answer some initial onboarding questions. Your genuine feedback will greatly assist us in shaping this study. Now, I want you to understand something. I've not done this for a long time, but there was a day that I did, and then I won some, like I received some incentive. But today I don't know how it's gonna be, so I have to start by actually answering these questions. So if you are someone who want to try this, just go to their website. It is Userlytics, like you have seen here, Userlytics. Okay, you sign up and then you can be receiving this kind of surveys and get paid. So I'm gonna test. I don't know if I will, or I don't know if I'll actually get selected, or maybe accordingly to the initial questions, but we're gonna try together. So let's begin, guys. Here it is a survey, and then as you can see the disclaimer is saying, please note the first several questions are unpaid screening questions to ensure you qualify for the full study. If you qualify, you will be compensated after successfully completing the full test. Please answer carefully and truthfully to make sure you are good fit to this study. Okay, so thanks for accepting the invitation. Life conservation, please answer the questions to see if you qualify. Let's see if I qualify. I know sometimes these things they don't. Okay, so what is your level of English? Basic, intermediate, advanced. I'm able to have fluent conversation related to my work. Okay, I'm gonna say advanced. Should I say in basic or intermediate? I'm able to understand and have basic thoughts. Okay, let me do like that. What is your current employment status? Employed, full-time, employed, part-time, self-employed, unemployed, others. I'll say self-employed. Okay, we are sorry, but for this particular project we are looking for a different user profile. Please keep an eye out for more invitations for Userlytics, as the next project you receive may be better match with your profile. Thanks for your help in making the world more friendly. Now, as you can see, they have said I'm not fit for there because I'm self-employed. I don't know about you guys, but if you want to try this, tell me in the comment section. By the way, this is not something that I'll tell you that openly, like I'll tell you that you're gonna be, it is guaranteed you're gonna get selected or maybe qualify, because sometimes they do this even if you put another, let's say if you are employed, they still refuse. They say they don't want this one. So for me, Userlytics, it is something I tried several times and it's not working for me. But if you want, you can try. So if you a new person, you can actually start by actually doing what, signing up and then testing the invitation, like the ones that they sent. You can actually do what, start actually making some money there. And I hope this was helpful. If you have tried this Userlytics, let me know in the comment section. Have you gotten anything? Have you actually earned any money from it? And I'll be so glad to listen to you. Okay, bye bye.